Hi, I'm Mark DeVito. Listen, next time your bandsaw blade gets dull, don't take it off and throw it away. I'm going to show you how to make a wood rasp out of this. It's very simple. Take your blade and flatten it on one side. Put it down on a little anvil, flatten it. Now do the other side. Now we're going to fold this in half. One side cracked on me, that doesn't matter. And now we're going to kink this and hammer this flat. Okay. And now we're going to do it one more time. So now you have this, and this is your wood rasp. So now we can make a handle on it. You could either on the end, you could wrap masking tape on it, so you have something to hold on to. Or if you want to get fancy, find one of your dad's old file chisel handles, and you can insert it into that. This. And you have a wood rasp, and it's very cool because it's plenty sharp to rasp things with. This is rock hard maple. Look at that. I got some mahogany over here. And the really good thing about it is it's a little flexible. So if you want to go in and get around some of your little joints, you have a curved area that you got to get into, no problem, this will get into it, and it stays sharp for a long time. So don't throw it away. Make a file out of it.